If you're over the age of 45, you start questioning things that you used to accept. There's a reason for that. According to Dolores, this is not happening by accident. You may be waking up now, and this may have been all part of your soul's plan. Dolores talked about how different souls come to this earth at different times. Some come early in life to awaken, and others are meant to wake up later. And it's not because they're behind or anything like that. It's because their timing is different. You see, many souls over 45 were born into survival-based environments and very structured societies. They didn't have the space or time to question reality because they was too busy working, providing, surviving, just to keep things together. So you can say that their awakening was just delayed a little bit, but it wasn't by mistake, it was by design. According to Dolores, these people that are waking up in their 40s, 50s, and 60s, like you, that's probably watching right now, are not new souls. You're very experienced souls. You know, souls that have lived many lives, played different roles, and have been through many karmic cycles. But since you're waking up in your 40s and 50s and 60s now, this life that you're in is not by remembering things early. It's all about remembering things later. So in this lifetime, you were meant to live through the system, see how the system works, and then wake up inside it. Because that way you can guide others and speak by experience and help others who are stuck in old mindsets. See, when you have that experience of the system, then you know how to navigate through it, and you know how to explain it to the ones that are stuck. So if you're over 45 right now, these are things you're probably going to start experiencing. You're going to start losing interest in drama and gossip. And of course, you're going to start questioning the system. Every little thing about the system, you're going to start questioning it. And you're going to start being pulled towards spiritual topics. And you're going to feel like your old life doesn't fit you anymore. And when you start waking up, you're probably going to say to yourself, why am I just seeing this? Why I didn't see this when I was younger? And the reason why, your mission was to live in the system, go through it, understand it, and then wake up. And if you've been noticing signs in your life right now, you're not the only one. There are many people out there that are seeing these signs that are over 45. And the signs they're seeing is symbols on their hands. So they might see a M mark. They might see an X mark. They might see a half moon. They might see a V mark. And the reason why these marks are forming is because a lot of souls that come back, they show signs on their hands. And if you want to learn more about these signs and symbols that's on your hands, I created an ebook. And to get this ebook, just check down in my description below this video. You're going to see a little store with a lot of ebooks. Or you're going to see a book about palm marks. Click on there to download that ebook. And guys, if you want to talk to others that are over 45 and that are seeing symbols on their hands like the M and the X and the half moon, you could talk to them and have discussions with them in a community I created. It's called the Mark One's Inner Circle. And the link to join that community is right below this video in the description area. You're going to see a link that says Mark Soul's Inner Circle. Just click that link and it's going to take you to the community. It's absolutely free to join. Also, guys, when you're having these awakenings, you need some mental clarity. because you need to understand why this is happening. So that's why I take Vibe High supplements. These supplements help me to keep my mind clear, especially this supplement called Boost Bod. Helps you keep your mind clear. Just click on the link in my description where it says vibehighsupplements.com. It's 15% off on everything in the store. Supplies are limited, so go right after this video. Now, if you are over 45 or 50 or 60 and you're waking up right now, like I said before, you're not late, you're not behind. Matter of fact, you have an advantage over people that are early because you have lived through the system. So you understand how the system works. Somebody that's wake up early, they haven't lived through the system yet. They just know that something is not right. And they're going to buck the system immediately. And that's going to make it harder for them to be able to fight the system. Or they're not going to have enough knowledge of how to navigate through the system and be able to thrive and complete their mission. So that's why you, at the age of 45 and over, will have an advantage because you've been through the system. You know how the system works. You've learned all the lessons the hard way. So when you wake up, it's not based on theory. It's based on real life experiences. So when you start waking up and understand who you are and understand what this system is all about, you're going to start thinking these thoughts. I want to help others. I want to share what I learned and guide them to a new way of seeing things in this reality. So when all this starts happening, you're going to start remembering everything about your past lives. And you're going to know that you and everybody else in this reality is not meant to be here to just pay bills. You came here to experience, awaken, and help others to do the same. So guys, if this video resonated with you and you're over 45, or if you're 50 or in your 60s, let me know down in the comments. Let me know your age and let me know that you resonate with everything I talked about in this video. And guys, before you go, I just want to let you know that I go live on Twitch every weekend. Go to twitch.tv/wokereg. Before you go, check this video out here to learn more about Dolores Cannon teachings. Peace, get woke, and keep rising.